rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body.
You're about to witness something that defies logic. The F-35 doesn't just fly, it controls gravity. But what if we told you that's only the beginning? The F-35 Lightning II is already a legend, stealthy, fast, and deadly. But its vertical takeoff and landing capability has sparked wild rumors. Some say it's not just a fighter, it's an airborne control hub. How does it work? With a lift fan system and a rotating nozzle, the F-35 hovers like a chopper. But insiders hint that this tech might be not entirely human-made. The F-35B, the Stovall variant, is rumored to be built for close-quarters warfare, landing on rooftops, hidden pads, or even moving ships. No runway, no problem. On the battlefield, this changes everything. Speed, unpredictability, and vertical mobility. That's what gives NATO the edge. Enemies don't see it coming. Here's where it gets weird. Some early F-35B test logs show electromagnetic interference, as if the jet was creating its own field, jamming nearby radars. Coincidence? Or something more? One thing's for sure, this isn't just about liftoff. The F-35's VTOL is a message. Air dominance is no longer in the future, it's now. If you're into military secrets and modern tech, hit that old subscribe button and ring the bell. We bring you the most epic military rumors and breakdowns every week, only on Epic Military News. And remember, not everything flying in the sky wants to be seen.